Hey guys, this is Ryan. Been a while since I posted anything, but just thought I'd get a little quick of the new tool in the shop. It's a Boyar-Schultz 612 surface grinder. I got it from a somebody here that was in my local area, so he helped load it in the truck. It's sitting on a pallet now, and I'll probably leave it there. It's pretty steady there, and then also I don't have to worry quite so much when the kind of the water condenses or gets on the floor. It was a nice chuck on there. You can kind of see it's a combination of a fine pole and a regular pole, and it's all manual fade, and kind of has a its own add-on light. And only real issue with it, I guess it got may not be able to see down, but it got water down in the main part of the cabinet, so it's got some pretty heavy rust damage down there. I don't know if you can actually take those shelves out, or if I'll just have to get something, put it on, and hope it holds. But the motor on it is a pretty small motor. I don't remember if it's a like a quarter horse, but it runs on 3-phase. And looks like it may be a half-horse motor, but runs on 3-phase, which I have here in the shop. And I put it in this location here and point it in this general direction because there really isn't any dust collection type system on there. I may, based on what I've seen on a few others, I may rig something up to mount here on the end to catch the dust when it's coming off the wheel. Otherwise, I just kind of played around with one block here earlier just to verify it works. It has a few lines on it, but overall turned out pretty smooth. Figured I was going to flip it over here and just do a couple passes on this side. It's a real poor block on there, so there's quite a few high spots. Gonna just kind of show you it in action. Just I haven't I don't know too much about this here so far, and the grit, I don't know for sure what grit was on that the wheel that he gave me, but 1.25 arbor. And I before I did the other side there, I was able to, or he threw in the dresser. It's kind of a two-way dresser there, and I also have the radius dresser over here that I had gotten from up at the screw machine shop probably about 6 months ago. So a little tough getting used to the hand positions and getting into the rhythm. So, but we'll show you it in action here real quick. Running it here, I got some mist coolant I picked up from Inco the other day, but I'm just kind of going to run this here kind of dry. I'm not going to go do too much. I've touched off here on the one side, kind of making sure that I really wasn't hitting anywhere else before I started here. We'll feed down a couple thousandths. Still be figuring out just how much I'm supposed to be overlapping here, especially with I think that wheel is probably only about a ½ inch thick there. Go down a couple more thousandths, so we're not doing too much at once. Kind of, I didn't in-feed anymore there, or I didn't down-feed anymore. Not be able to see on there, but not the greatest of finishes. At least as far as I can tell where the step overs are. But not too bad just for having plugged it in here today and giving it a shot. And the found I did put the test indicator on it, and overall it seemed to be pretty flat, and there was about a plus 5/10 thousandths over here on the one corner, but otherwise within a couple 10 thousandths the whole way there. I'll probably redress it sometime here once I get a little bit more comfortable with it, and then also do the rail on it, so to make sure that that's 100% clean up there as well. So we'll just have to find a few projects to use it on here this summer. Thank you.